You can touch the tail feathers, baby. I have no idea what kind of bird that is. Do you?
No.
You don't? I don't either.
You poor little
I want to try to pick it up, but I don't want it to peck me. You know what I mean?
It's sweet.
It is a sweet little bird. I have no idea what kind of bird it is. I think it's blind though. One eye's like red.
Oh, it did just run to our window.
Yeah. It ran into our house.
Oh, you're such a sweet little bird.
It is a sweet little bird.
You were such a sweet little bird.
Don't poke it at its face, because I don't want it to bite you.
Oh.
Peck you.
Peck you, bite you, whatever they do.
It can really tickle.
Mm-hmm.
It can really blink.
I bet you could pick it up like a chicken.
I'm not scared of anything.
No. Maybe she was picking up chickens when she was like 2. Ain't that right, Gator? Mm-hmm.
You try to pick it up. You gotta go around the swing.
Do you want Daddy to try it first, or you want to try it first?
Easy.
Now, if it starts scratching, you drop it, okay? Good job. Woo!
Good job.
Scared
That
me. I
was a
jumped
good
too.
bird. That was a good bird.
I jumped too.
It's alright, baby.
Woo.
I didn't like that.
No. One of its tail feathers is all tore up.
Well, it ran into our window.
Oh, you poor birdie. Did your family just leave you here?
You want to put it on the back porch?
Well, I think it really got hurt.
It might have got really hurt. What do you want to name your bird?
We're not naming a bird that's not going to be here.
What do you want to name the bird that's not going to be here? We'll name it Wild Bird.
Baby?
Baby bird. Okay. So baby bird.
That's not a baby bird.
That's not a baby bird. We gotta do something with baby bird.
Hey, baby.
We gotta get it off the porch before wild animals come up on our porch.